A snug log cabin sits quietly amidst the snow-laden forest, radiating warmth.
Inside the doorway, a white mother cat guides her kittens with gentle affection. She lovingly licks the kitten, her tenderness a beacon of warmth. The mother cat leads her two kittens into the glistening snow. With curious eyes, the kittens experience the wonders of winter for the first time. In a forest bathed in dappled sunlight, a sleek mother cat rises on her hind legs, an unusual purpose in her eyes. With practiced skill, she taps a maple tree, initiating the steady drip of clear sap into a glass jar. Nearby, her kittens sit in rapt attention, their wide eyes following their mother's every move. The gentle sounds of dripping sap and the soft patting of tiny paws fill the air, creating a symphony of nature. The forest pulses with life as the mother cat resumes her natural role, a provider in this idyllic scene. In the heart of a cozy log cabin, a family gathers around a crackling wood stove, seeking warmth and comfort. The mother cat crafts a winter delight, drizzling maple syrup onto a pot of snow. With playful enthusiasm, the kittens seize spoons, stirring the sweet concoction with delight. Bathed in candlelight, they share heart-shaped cookies, sipping warm drinks in contented silence. Nestled down to sleep by the hearth, the soft glow dances across their faces, painting a portrait of warmth and contentment.